Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to file payroll taxes in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one, so let's not waste any time at all and just get straight into it. The first step is to access the tax section. So from your QuickBooks dashboard, you want to click taxes on the left menu, and then you're going to select payroll tax. Next is to review your tax setup. So ensure that your business details, your tax agency information, and of course your tax rates are correctly entered under the payroll settings. Next step is to select the tax form to file. So click on the pending payroll tax forms, for example, form 941, state withholdings, as well as unemployment tax. Next step is to verify the details. So QuickBooks automatically calculates taxes based on payroll data. So you want to review all figures to make sure that they're accurate. Next is to file electronically. Now, if you've set up e-filing, you want to click e-file and pay. Otherwise, just follow QuickBooks prompt to print and mail the form. The final step is to confirm submission. So QuickBooks will show a confirmation message when your tax filing is successfully submitted. A pro tip is to always file payroll taxes on time to avoid penalties and interest. QuickBooks can send reminders for due dates. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.